Okay, in this video, we're going to take option 2 chair that we just made in a prior video and do the 2 extra credit things on it, okay? So how do we do that? We're going to have an image cut out in the back of it, and then we're going to add some extra colors, okay? So just for simplicity's sake for this video, I took a Nike logo. I'm going to do it that way. Let me get that out of the way on my screen so I can import the image. So hit my plus sign, hit the word import. It's going to be the most recent thing I just saved to this Chromebook. So once it does its thing, Nike logo right there, okay? So now it's imported into OnShape. You can see it's down there. I'm going to make that thing back out over here so it's not in my way. Good. Okay, now I'm going to close that out of the way. I am going to start a sketch on the backrest. Go to the front view. I'm going to insert an image and the Nike logo, and I'm just chose a Nike logo just to keep it kind of easy for this video's sake. Okay, so I'm going to put that right here. Okay, that looks like a decent enough spot for that. I'm going to zoom in so I can trace it real fast for you. So I'm going to finish that sketch. Then I'm going to go to a new sketch on top of it. I'm going to draw a straight line from this point right here all the way up to that. And a straight line that goes all the way down to right there. Hit the escape tool to turn that off. Now we're going to go to spline tool, and I'm going to trace around the outside of this. And again, I'm going to be doing this kind of quick just for the sake of the video, so I don't want it to be exactly perfect. I don't want it to look horrible, but, you know, just good enough to keep the video short for you. And I got that right there. Obviously, you can do a lot more complicated shapes, but there's that. And now I got my shape there, so I hit escape. Now I have that Nike logo there. I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to hide this sketch right here, the one I traced. So now I only have the one I made. I'm going to hit extrude. What do I want to extrude? That thing I just made on sketch 7, but I'm just going to remove stuff. And it was actually only a ½ inch extrude on the backrest. So if I do a full inch, it goes the whole way through. So the only reason it doesn't go the whole way through over here is because I didn't place it far enough to the side. It went into the armrest right here, which is fine with me for right now. How could I fix that? I could just say 0.5 and then it wouldn't cut anything out of the armrest, but it also wouldn't go completely through. So if I go 0.5 right there, it doesn't take anything out of the armrest on the back. And that gets you a couple extra credit points just by doing a logo on there, a cutout. And here's an even easier form of extra credit I'll take for you guys. So remember how to change colors. Okay, so I'm just going to make my whole part 1. I'm going to say edit appearance. Let's just make it blue because I like blue. So it's a bluish purple, but no, that blue. There we go. I don't like that one either. Now I'm being picky. That blue will work. So then I hit the check mark. What if I want to make the seat black? Okay, so I can right click on that, say add appearance to it, make this really dark gray down here. So it's basically black, and there's a couple extra credit points because you made it at least 2 colors. So this video showed you how to insert the image, trace it, cut it, and then you have their 2 colors. So that gets your extra credit points for this assignment as well.